Hidden in the hills above Essaouira, a magical Kasbah paradise where time slows down and pure Moroccan bliss begins. The hotel describes itself as Essaouira style. Over 4 nights, I tried different categories of room. The chukran room in the main Kasbah, close to the dining and bar, was lively and central. A good choice for families. It had a beautiful terrace. The first night, in the 2-bedroom Babel Suite, set further out among the palms, had a private terrace, had a living room with day beds that could be made up for children, as well as a fireplace and shelves decorated with North African ceramics and artifacts. The terrace was furnished with 2 sun loungers, a Moroccan mosaic table and a pair of cast iron chairs. The spa sits at the heart of the property. The Hammam ritual begins with exfoliation by Mecca, then peaceful moments in the second steam chamber, then a final cleansing scrub. There are 2 dining rooms inside. On one side of the internal courtyard with Fopuntan is an intimate adults-only space with tables dressed in linen tablecloths and votive candles, the walls hung with small decorative mirrors that catch the candlelight. On the other side is a larger family room with a sunken seating area by the bar and an open fireplace. Often you can enjoy live music here. Outside, the terrace is lit by architectural lamps hung from the palms, swinging in the Atlantic breeze. Beyond the property, the team works with the best of the local operators. Cooking at Latelier in the Medina, surf and kitesurfing with the Ion Club, horse riding with Equivasion. A quarter-hour by hotel shuttle takes you to Essaouira itself. The town is less like a typical Arab Morocco destination and is instead more like a sun-bleached Atlantic port. Le Jardin de Douars is a captivating Moroccan hideaway with a great deal of style. The rooms are impeccably maintained, new linens and sparkling new fixtures in the bathrooms. The gardens, the architecture, the hammam, the food and the team are all on point. Essaouira itself was a joy to discover, relaxed, youthful and sporty, and with one of the kindest and most welcoming destinations I have visited in Morocco.